Hello, and thanks you for clicking this video. Today's video is about the Dyson V7 and how you can change its battery. I bought a battery that has a few more milliamps than the original one. The original one had 2100 milliamps, and the one we are going to change it to has 4000 milliamps. That simply means you are able to vacuum 45 minutes with the 4000 milliamps battery. The original battery only lasts 20 to 25 minutes. That would totally be enough for house cleaning, but let's say you are cleaning your car, 25 minutes aren't enough for that. By the way, if you are new on this channel and you like the video, I would really appreciate a thumb up, and of course I would be happy if you also subscribe to my channel. Speaking of Dyson, I linked a video above, in which I show you how to clean the Dyson vacuum, and soon there will be a video about how to retool to the Dyson V7 HEPA filters. That brings a few benefits cause the V7 one does not have that. Now I wish you a lot of fun with the video. It's actually really simple. We have two screws right here, and here. And then there is one right there, on the back. And what we are going to do, is unscrew that. We don't need any big tool for this, the only thing we need, is a Phillips screwdriver, and that's it.
So leer machen müssen wir auch nicht unbedingt. Wir können ja direkt drauf gehen. So, das war schon. Jetzt können wir den einfach hier so nach unten rausziehen.
When you unscrew that, you can just pull it out like that and get the screws.
So, das ist jetzt ein Original Dyson.
That's the original Dyson V7 battery, the one with the 2100 milliamps. I ordered a battery one with 4000 milliamps.
Unboxing inklusive. Und da ist das gute Stück. Ja, den habe ich mir bestellt, weil hat 4000.
As I saw, that's the one with 2100 milliamps. The battery are from Bone as L. They have the same mark. That's really important. I will link them down below, of course.
Ja, jetzt habe ich mir natürlich das auch nochmal angeschaut, richtig. Das heißt, das ist Original, das ist.
Of course, I looked at the batteries a little closer to find anything.
Ja, dass man sich das eben genau anschaut, dass das auch alles passt, ja. Und es sieht gut aus.
That's not how it should be, but everything is fine. The only thing that is different with each battery is the power supply hole.
Bei dem einen ist etwas größer.
The original one is a bit bigger.
Das Original ist größer. Ist aber kein Problem. Ich hab,
But that's not a problem, it also fit into the charging station, so everything is fine. And also the LED diode are a bit bigger on the sides. But all in one, everything fits perfectly. It was important to me to not buy just any battery, I wanted one that is high quality. The one I have here has Sony cells in it. Everyone knows Sony. You have no risk. That's why I have chose this battery.
Den findet ihr natürlich auch wieder unten in der Videobeschreibung, habe ich den Akku verlinkt. Egal, ob du jetzt ein Amazon-Freak bist oder ein eBay-Freak. So, den tun wir jetzt einfach eins.
Now we will just put the new battery back to where we unscrewed the old one.
Das heißt, wir haben jetzt hier die Schrauben wieder. Die zwei sind schwarz, haben schwarze Köpfe.
Those two screws are black, and the third one is clean.
Edelstahl poliert.
First one and second one.
Oben am Griff. Und die anderen zwei kommen hier unten rein. So, auch übrigens auf diesen Akku.
By the way, this battery has 5-year warranty. Done, that's it. Everything works and looks fine. When you hang it on the charging station, the LED starts to light up immediately.
Ja, übrigens hat dieser Akku hier, der Original.
The original battery, right here, has a overcharge precision.
Nachbau hat das natürlich auch.
The new one also has it, so everything is fine.
Ja, und was hier natürlich
What's also cool is that we can just pull him out because we don't have a memory effect.
Das macht den Akku hier gar nichts aus.
So it's not affecting the battery.
Den anderen Akku nehmen.
You can also load the original one by simply charging it here.
Zack, und bleibt auch noch hängen. das war's auch schon wieder.
That's it with the video. I hope this video helped you.
Falls dir das Video gefallen hat,
If you liked the video, I would be happy over a thumbs up.
falls du neu auf meinem Kanal bist,
Or if you are new on this channel and you haven't subscribed,
Abo on. Ich bedanke
thank you
mich
for
sehr
watching,
fürs Zuschauen.
and see you in the next video.
Bis dann.
Bye.
Ciao.